Hi, we're Big Y's dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. When entertaining this holiday season, add vibrant color and nutrition with fresh cranberries.
They can be used for decor as well as festive recipes like these.
Cranberry apple chutney. In a medium saucepan, combine cranberries, chopped apple, sugar, honey, water, and spiced tea bags. Stir to combine. Bring mixture to a boil while stirring. Reduce heat and simmer until apples are tender and chutney thickens. Remove tea bags, transfer to a bowl, and serve.
Pickled cranberries and goat cheese crostini. Add vinegar and water to a saucepan and heat. Stir in salt and stevia, then bring to a boil. Add spices and cranberries to a jar. Pour vinegar mixture over cranberries, cover, and cool. To assemble, spread goat cheese on toasted crostini and top with pickled cranberries and thyme.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.